What is the map that leads to the treasures of cryptocurrencies? How can you be one of the few to navigate this new wave of wealth? Every minute counts, and every decision is crucial in this financial chess game. Right now, you could be just one step away from uncovering the strategy that places you at the forefront of the crypto revolution. Forget everything you knew about investing because the rules have changed. We're not just exploring trends. We're dusting off the crystal ball to reveal the advanced moves that will make the difference. So, adjust your sails, because we're about to navigate through turbulent seas in search of the cryptos that will dictate the future. Ready to see what secrets can be yours? The cryptocurrency market never ceases to amaze us. After a year 2023 full of ups and downs, innovations, and regulatory changes, 2024 presents itself as fertile ground for new opportunities and challenges. But what has changed exactly since last year? First, let's look at the big picture. Cryptocurrencies have evolved from being a mere technological curiosity to becoming a legitimate and respected asset class. Major financial institutions, which once doubted their value, are now investing and creating products based on these digital currencies. Moreover, the growing interest from retail investors has led to increased adoption and recognition in various countries. However, not everything is rosy. The cryptocurrency market remains volatile, and investors must be prepared for the abrupt changes that often characterize this sector. On the other hand, regulation, aiming to protect investors and maintain market stability, has started to take shape in various regions, which could change the game for many. The most exciting of all is how technological innovation continues to drive cryptocurrencies forward. From improvements in blockchain technology to the development of new ways to integrate cryptocurrencies into our daily lives, 2024 shapes up as a year of transformation and growth. So, as we delve deeper into this video, keep these changes in mind. We are at a crucial moment in the history of cryptocurrencies, and understanding this context is key to making informed and strategic investment decisions. Understanding cryptocurrencies is essential before diving into the world of digital investment. Let's break down the basics so that even if you're new to this topic, you can easily follow along. Cryptocurrencies are, essentially, digital currencies designed to function as a medium of exchange. They use a technology called blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger that records all transactions securely and transparently. This technology not only ensures the security of transactions but also eliminates the need for intermediaries, like banks, making the process more efficient and less costly. A fascinating aspect of cryptocurrencies is their diversity. There are thousands, each with its unique characteristics. Some, like Bitcoin, are known for being stores of value, while others, like Ethereum, offer additional functionalities, such as smart contracts that automate agreements without the need for intermediaries. It's also crucial to understand the difference between cryptocurrencies, tokens, and central bank digital currencies. While cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks and are generated by the system itself, tokens are digital assets that can represent anything from shares in a company to points in a rewards program. On the other hand, central bank digital currencies are, as their name suggests, issued and regulated by a central bank, offering a digital version of traditional currencies. This basic understanding of what cryptocurrencies are and how they work is the first step to becoming an informed investor. With this foundation, you're better equipped to explore the exciting opportunities this market has to offer in 2024. Now that we understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, it's time to dive into the most exciting part, exploring some of the most promising cryptocurrencies to invest in 2024. Here we'll discover not only the most popular ones, but also those hidden gems that could offer great opportunities. Bitcoin, the quintessential digital investment. Security and longevity. Bitcoin's security, driven by its decentralized network and proof-of-work algorithm, has been proven over the years. Its longevity and ability to maintain its value over time make it attractive to long-term investors. Potential of Bitcoin as a store of value. Often compared to gold, Bitcoin is increasingly considered a store of value in times of economic uncertainty. Its decentralized nature and limited supply make it resistant to inflation and monetary devaluations. Moreover, Bitcoin's programmed scarcity, with a maximum limit of 21 million coins, may influence its value as demand continues to increase. Ethereum, innovation and adaptability. Smart contract applications. Ethereum has revolutionized the concept of smart contracts, enabling the automation and execution of agreements without the need for intermediaries. This opens endless possibilities across various industries. The impact of the upgrade to Ethereum 2.0. This upgrade is crucial for addressing scalability and energy efficiency issues, two of the most significant challenges the network faced. This could significantly increase its adoption in commercial and enterprise applications. In-depth analysis of emerging cryptocurrencies. Binance Coin. BNB. Beyond its use on Binance, BNB plays a crucial role in projects related to Binance Smart Chain, a direct competitor to Ethereum in terms of creating dApps and smart contracts. Cardano, ADA. Its focus on academic research and community-driven development has earned it a prominent place. The platform aims to offer more capabilities than Ethereum, including a more advanced governance system and a lower environmental impact. Solana, SOL. With a focus on efficiency and speed, Solana is quickly becoming the platform of choice for high-frequency applications, attracting developers and users interested in an alternative to Ethereum. Polkadot, DOT. Its unique technology allows different blockchains to securely and trustlessly transfer messages and value, making it fundamental for interoperability in the blockchain ecosystem. Chainlink. Its role as a bridge between the blockchain and the real world is vital. Chainlink's ability to provide secure and reliable data to smart contracts makes it an essential component in the growth of the blockchain ecosystem. Other cryptocurrencies with significant potential. Ripple, XRP. Although it has faced legal challenges, Ripple remains popular for its ability to facilitate fast and cheap international transactions, which could revolutionize the banking and payments sector. Litecoin, LTC. Considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin offers faster transaction times and lower fees, making it attractive for smaller, everyday transactions. Uniswap. Uni is one of the leading decentralized exchange (DX) platforms. Uniswap is at the heart of decentralized finance (DeFi), a sector experiencing explosive growth. Aave. It's a leading cryptocurrency lending protocol that allows users to lend and borrow a variety of crypto assets. Aave has innovated in the DeFi space with features like flash loans and variable interest rates. Tezos. XTZ. With its focus on on-chain governance and the ability to upgrade without hard forks, Tezos stands out for its flexibility and adaptability, making it attractive for a variety of applications.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
Key aspects for investors. Extended technical and fundamental analysis. Beyond looking at price charts and market trends, a deep fundamental analysis includes evaluating the strength of the team behind the cryptocurrency, its community, real-world use cases, and strategic partnerships that may drive its adoption. Risk assessment and diversification. Given the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market, diversifying investments is vital. Investing in a mix of established and emerging cryptocurrencies can help balance risk and reward potential. Long-term investment strategies versus short-term trading. While some investors prefer to hold their investments for the long term, others lean towards short-term trading to take advantage of market volatility. Both strategies have their merits and risks and should align with the investor's goals and risk profile. Future trends and areas of innovation. Decentralized finance, DeFi. The DeFi sector is constantly evolving, offering new ways to access financial services without intermediaries, which could redefine the financial landscape. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are creating new opportunities in the world of art, music, and beyond. As this technology matures, there could be significant potential for innovative investors. Cryptocurrencies and sustainability. With a growing focus on sustainability, cryptocurrencies that minimize their environmental impact or contribute to sustainable projects could see an increase in adoption and value. Integration with other technologies. The intersection of blockchain with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IT, offers exciting possibilities for future innovations. Conclusion of the analysis. Long-term vision. Cryptocurrencies are not just a passing trend, but an integral part of financial and technological evolution. The key to successfully investing in this space is to stay informed, be adaptable, and have a long-term vision. The importance of continuous education. The cryptocurrency market is dynamic and ever-changing. Staying educated and updated is essential for any investor who wants to successfully navigate this exciting yet complex world. Remember, the information presented in this video is solely for educational and entertainment purposes. The opinions, analyses, and strategies expressed in this channel do not constitute financial, investment, or tax advice and should not be seen as such. It is always advisable to consult with a financial or tax professional before making investment decisions based on your personal situation. Investing in cryptocurrencies may seem overwhelming at first, but with the right knowledge and tools, it can become an exciting and potentially lucrative experience. Let's break down the process step by step so you can begin your journey in the world of cryptocurrencies with confidence. Choosing a reliable exchange platform. Research and choose. There are numerous cryptocurrency exchange platforms available, such as Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, eToro, or Gemini, among others. Look for those with a good reputation, offer a variety of cryptocurrencies, and have robust security measures. Fees and ease of use. Consider the transaction fees and the ease of use of the platform. Some platforms are more beginner-friendly, while others are designed for experienced traders. Creating a cryptocurrency portfolio. Digital wallets. You will need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. You can choose between online wallets, more convenient but riskier, and offline or hardware wallets, more secure. Wallet security. The security of your wallet is crucial. Use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and consider a hardware wallet for storing large amounts. Research and analysis of cryptocurrencies. Do your homework. Before investing, do thorough research. This includes understanding the technology behind the cryptocurrency, the team, market potential, and risks. Monitoring trends. Stay up to date with the latest news and market trends. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile and sensitive to global events and technological developments. Investment strategies. Diversification. As with any investment, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio among various cryptocurrencies. Long-term versus short-term investment. Decide if you are a long-term investor or a short-term trader. Long-term investment involves holding cryptocurrencies hoping their value will increase over time, while short-term trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies based on market fluctuations. Risk management. Know your limits. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Investing in cryptocurrencies is not without risks. Risk mitigation strategies. Consider setting stop-loss limits and taking profits to protect your investment. Staying informed and adaptable. Continuous education. The world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving. Stay informed by reading news, participating in communities, and taking education courses. As we delve into the world of cryptocurrencies, it's crucial not only to understand the market and investment strategies, but also to be aware of the legal and tax implications involved. This part of the video is essential to ensure you manage your cryptocurrency investments responsibly and according to the law. Regulations and legality vary by country. Cryptocurrency regulations can vary significantly from one country to another. Some countries have adopted a favorable approach to cryptocurrencies, while others have imposed strict restrictions or even bans. Stay informed. It's vital to stay updated on local regulations in your country. Lack of knowledge about the laws can lead to legal complications, especially if regulations change frequently. Tax implications. Reporting gains and losses. In many countries, gains from the sale or exchange of cryptocurrencies are subject to taxes. You must keep a detailed record of your transactions to accurately declare your gains or losses. Different tax treatments. The way cryptocurrencies are treated for tax purposes can vary. In some cases, they are considered as property, while in others, they may be treated similarly to investments in stocks or foreign currencies. Reporting to tax authorities. Reporting obligation. Depending on your country's laws, you might be required to report your cryptocurrency holdings to tax authorities, even if you have not made any sales or exchanges during the year. Consequences of non-declaration. Failing to declare income or holdings of cryptocurrencies can lead to fines or legal sanctions. It's important to comply with all tax obligations related to your cryptocurrency investments. Seeking professional advice. Consult experts. Given the complexities and constant changes in laws and tax regulations related to cryptocurrencies, it's advisable to seek advice from a tax or legal professional specialized in cryptocurrencies. Making informed decisions. An advisor can help you better understand your legal and tax obligations and make informed decisions that maximize your benefits and minimize your risks. We've reached the end of our journey through the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies to invest in 2024. I hope this video has provided you with valuable information and helped you better understand how to navigate this exciting market. If you liked this video and found the information useful, I encourage you to give it a like and share it with your friends and family interested in cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future content. We're always here to offer you the latest news and tips in the world of finance and cryptocurrencies. And remember, investing in cryptocurrencies is an exciting journey, but also requires responsibility and continuous education. Stay informed, be cautious with your investment decisions, and most importantly, invest safely. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious and motivated on your path to financial freedom.